Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's do the Kalima reading now. Before I go, as I had already mentioned, there are people getting in touch to be a part of the WhatsApp group. So I'm just again saying that 63806 77131 is our team number where you will be added to the WhatsApp group where we will update our daily readings. We update the new videos which come. We also update our products, our new workshops and everything. So if you want to be a part of it, you can just WhatsApp there and you will be added. And I hope you all are resonating with the reading. So now let's go with the reading. Now this is your Kalima oracle cards. The first card, that's a beautiful card, Kali Yantra. Now let's go to the next card, Bhuvaneshwari. Both are beautiful and a mind-blowing combination. Now, the Kali Yantra is basically our inner power, our protection shield. We protect ourselves from within. So, today is a day where we connect with ourselves, we connect with our consciousness, we connect with our inner selves, we activate ourselves, and we are in bliss with ourselves, and we are able to focus and stay focused with any work that we are doing. Basically, if you see, there is a mudra which is shown here, right? You can even do this mudra if you want, or you can just connect with this yantra. This yantra amplifies our energy. So what you can do today is, I'm just keeping the video a little closer. Just look at it and just repeat this mantra. Usually they say you should repeat this mantra 8 times according to the oracle book, but I would say repeat this mantra 21 times today. Om Cream Kalikaye Namaha. I repeat, look at the mantra, look at this yantra and say Om Cream Kalikaye Namaha. Tell this 21 times, and as you tell it, just imagine that the energies are just expanding and all your works, all your issues are getting sorted out, and you're able to have a beautiful life, beautiful day, mainly a beautiful day ahead. Today is also the day of Amavasya, so just start your day with this mantra, and I'm sure you're going to be blessed with her. And the next card, which is Bhuvaneshwari, is a card of fulfillment. So today is a day of prosperity, a day of abundance, a day of fulfillment, a day of positive blessings from this beautiful lady. So she will help you to bring in the positivity, the abundance and the beauty if you allow her to. So open your hands and tell her, oh Mata, oh Ma Bhuvaneshwari, oh Goddess, oh beautiful Goddess, I open my heart to you. I welcome you inside my heart. May you bless me. May you uplift my soul and bring in the abundance in my life. Say that and see, and you will feel in bliss. Today in the afternoon at 12 o'clock, if you want, you can do your ancestral blessing rituals. You can also at 12 o'clock burn a blue candle, just getting the blessings from your ancestors. Today color is white, so wear the color white and take the blessings from the divine and have a beautiful Kalima blessed day. God bless you all.